Hey, out there in Amazon world, we ordered these mid-frame air deflectors. Made the bike look awesome though. I mean, I think it put more chrome to it. I'm gonna add some more chrome pieces. Anyway, let me get to the video, the review. These are easy to install if you are mechanically inclined. If you're not mechanically inclined, this is what they call the driver's side, the left side. This was the hardest side to install. That bolt down there, you have no access really. You got to take off. I took my whole bike apart. The seats, the saddlebags, and scale of difficulty, I give this 5 wrenches. It's not no 1 wrench. It took me a couple of hours actually to get this done because yeah. Anywho, it's not easy. 5 wrenches on installment. It's not easy at all. This side right here was easy. That bottom bolt right there, because you can actually get your fingers up behind here to hold it with a pair of grip pliers. I got a little dirt right there. It's a little dirty under there. But yeah, this side was easy. But that other side, getting up in that tight spot, you got to take your freaking fuse box loose, and yeah, special tools for that other side. It wasn't easy at all. All right, that's my review. How many stars I'm gonna give this? I'm still going to give it 4 stars, only because it was hard to put on. But the product is nice, as you can see. Oh, you can see me in there. Yeah. And then as I was putting this side on, like I said, this was the hard side over here. Scratched it. I don't know what that is right there. I don't know if it's oil, but I washed it and I couldn't get that off. You can see that smudge. Yeah, you can't. Yep, but that's it. Thank you for watching.